guys, this is the results of my frozen paper towel squishy. I don't think my brain was braining for a second. But let's go check on it and see the results. I'm so excited. Hey, camera. My bad. I'm gonna bed. Okay. That's literally actually as hard as a rock. Okay. It's kind of ripping easily. But that's fine. It's alright. Okay, well that was the results of my frozen paper towel squishy, I guess. Was that satisfying? Yes or no? I don't know. Subscribe for yes, like, or no. Was that satisfying, guys? I don't know. Like, was that satisfying? Bye.